Good morning everyone, this is Vaishnavi from Technical Days. We'll update you on the Nifty as well as USD and our technical view. In previous trading session, Nifty opened with an upward gap and it has witnessed profit booking in initial hours. However, buying momentum at lower levels led index to close on flat note around 79.15 level. On the daily chart, index has formed a small bearish candle. However, it carries long lower shadow indicating buying support at lower levels. On the daily chart, it continued to form higher high-low formation compared to previous session, indicating sustained uptrend. On the daily as well as on weekly chart, index continued to form higher top, higher bottom formation, indicating every short-term correction will remain as a buying opportunity. At current level, index is well placed above its 20, 50, 100 as well as 200-day simple moving average, which supports bullish sentiment in short term as well as in medium term. The chart pattern suggests if Nifty trade and sustains above 79.30 levels, then it may witness further strength in the range of 79.60 to 8,000 levels. From current levels, immediate intraday support zone is around 78.70 levels. Nifty continue to remain in uptrend in short term as well as in medium term. Hence, any short term correction will remain as a buying opportunity. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both are in positive territory, which supports bullish sentiment ahead. Some positive buy stock for the day are Bank of Baroda, Jubilant Food, Exide Industry, GAIL, Apollo Hospital and L&T. Whereas some negative buy stock for the day are India Cement, LIC, HPCL and PFC. Moving to the USD/INR technical view, in last trading session, USD/INR opened sharply lower with a bearish gap and it has witnessed selling pressure for most part of the session. It has closed around 66.29 with loss of 0.53%. On the daily chart, it has formed a bearish candle forming lower high-low formation compared to previous session, indicating negative bias. USD/INR has also violated its previous swing low of 66.31 level on closing basis, indicating shift of trend to the downside, and it has also formed a lower top lower bottom formation on the daily as well as on weekly chart. This indicates downtrend in short term as well as in medium term charts. USD/INR has also broken its past 4 weeks multiple support zone of 66.30 levels on closing basis, indicating further weakness. For the day, if USD/INR trade and sustains below 66.20 levels, then it may witness further selling pressure in the range of 66 and 65.80 levels. On the higher end, 66.35 will act as an immediate intraday resistance zone. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic, both indicators are quoting below 50 mark, indicating further weakness. Thank you.